Greetings, everybody. This is Lulu.com. Let's take a look when we type in Barron William Trump. Let's take a look. Trump Dance Hospital, Volume 1, Barron William Trump, published November 13, 2019. Trump Dance Hospital by Barron William Trump, published November 13, 2019. President Donald John Trump, Redress of Grievances, Ransomers by Barron William Trump, published November 13, 2019, paperback. Okay, let's take a look at the first one. Says, inside of Trump Dance Hospital Volume 1, you will learn how to dance the I am step, how to recite the I am step, how to perfect the I am step, that the I am step is a dance game, that the I am step dance game may be recorded with your glance dance game cards, that you may score with your glance dance scorecards, that you may play the Trump Dance Hospital game as a portable game, that the Trump Dance Hospital portable game is a solid player game, that the Trump Dance Hospital portable game is a multiplayer game, that the Trump Dance Hospital is an effort in medical reform policy that is a promise kept, that dancercise is a form of exercise, that dance fitness is a form of fitness, that you are in control of your physical therapy, that you are in control of your mental health condition, that you are in control of your terminal treatment, that you are now in control. Let them glance as you dance, Volume 1, I Am Step, Trump Dance Hospital. Publication date, November 13, 2019, in English. The ISBN number is 97817947422284. Category Health and Fitness. Copyright, all rights reserved, standard copyright license. You should get that because it's copyrighted to Aaren William Striplin. And then but the contributors are author Barron William Trump. So it's written by Aaren Striplin, but use the entertainment name of Barron William Trump. Okay, now let's look at the other book. President Donald John Trump, Redress of Grievances by Barron William Trump, published November 13th, 2019. President Donald John Trump, Redress of Grievances, Ransomers by Barron William Trump is a book of ransomers whom are reported to the FBI regarding Racketeer Influence Corp Organized Crime Act. There is a positive presumption for the presence of data that is used in the commission of a crime that may be completely explained using the data sphere, atmosphere, sphere, fear, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, helix, deoxyribonucleic acid intellect, data network association intellect. This system holds the code of the crime origin, the evidence of substance that explains the unidentified subject crime reference responsible for committing a crime occurrence. The ransomer are isolated here that are responsible for establishing a ransom to collect on a kidnapped Carquinez Middle School victim held hostage for premeditated murder, home invasion. The redress of grievance is in process with the FBI 1990s to 21st century, and now with the USA President Donald John Trump 1700s to 21st century. Publication date, November 13, 2019. Language, English. Category, biographies and memoirs. Copyright, all rights reserved, standard copyright. But that's for Aaren William Striplin when you get the book. But it's published by Barron William Trump, the entertainment name. Okay, so I want you to take a look at this. That's the timeline for the murder. The murder's over now. Now I want you to take a look at this. while that's going, I want you to take a look. Look at this. What you're looking at is Barron Trump, the entertainer Barron Trump. But he was first in a piracy movie called Michael Jackson. So you can go to YouTube and you can look it up by Barron Trump, Michael Jackson. All right. So I want you to take a look at what's going on over here. We're going to type in Joe Biden COVID-19. Today is December 13th, 2022. All right. So it says President Biden tests positive for COVID-19. Now, if you haven't been told this, Aaren Striplin is the actual high priest of the tabernacle. High priest Aaren of the Torah, high priest Aaren of the Holy Bible, the owner of the tabernacle and the owner of the tabernacle of God. So this is what this means. High priest Aaren has the authority to heal. It's his job to heal everybody on earth. So he had this authority stolen by the people who took it from school.
Announced by the White House today, President Joe Biden testing positive for coronavirus for the very first time.
It's saying that Joe Biden has corona.
Thanks for your concern. Here, which gives him protection.
It's saying that he has corona.
Puts him in a good position. The 79-year-old is taking Paxlovid, the antiviral drug, a 5-day course of pills which treats mild to moderate symptoms.
The goal of Paxlovid is to keep people from getting
serious. It was either that drug or this healing that healed him. But I can tell you this. Let's take a look at this. Let's listen to this. This is out of his own mouth. This is Joe Biden right here. This is President Joe Biden.
Hey, folks,
that's him. That's the actual President Joe Biden. Look.
Heard this morning I tested positive.
Well, anyways, I want you to take a look at this right here. So basically, when God gives you like the Holy Spirit and whatever God has you on earth to do, you do, then God gives you a reward for it. So after he tested positive, I had a reward coming because I had 5,000 of these videos. You see this video? Just one thing. I had 5,000 of these videos. And so I had decided that I was going to use my healing to heal Joe Biden. The very next week, he was healed.
I'm doing well. We got a lot of work done. I'm going to continue to get it done. And in the meantime, thanks for your concern. Keep the faith. It's going to be okay. Hey, folks, I guess you heard this morning I tested positive for COVID. But I've been double vaccinated, double boosted. The symptoms are mild. And I really appreciate your inquiries and your concerns. But I'm doing well. We got a lot of work done. I'm going to continue to get it done. And in the meantime, thanks for your concern. Keep the faith. It's going to be okay. Hey, folks, I guess you heard.
Yeah. So I want you to see that. Now I want you to see another thing. Let's get out of there. So basically, High Priest Aaren does have the power to heal on earth. All right. So let's go back to Lulu.com. Yeah, he actually healed the president. That's what we do know. Now let's look at this right here. Let's type in John Edgar Hoover. You can say it was Plaxoid, but if that was the case, then why'd you get it in the first place? If God gave it to you in the first place with the intentions to give it to you, why would he give you an actual way out of it if that's what he was doing? but I went to my God and he healed you. So we've got Book of Records time card. Book of Records time card is the exact form that John Edgar Hoover used for criminal investigations as well as everyday functions. It is a great scrapbook. You will be happy to receive day of the week, date, time, location, activity, reason, name, badge number, job description, comment, concern, witness. You will receive 31 blank pages that are good for 1. Stapling material things to the pages. 2. Taping material things to the pages. 3. Extending one's time card function, such as an extra comments or concerns that occurs in a time frame, location, activity, reason, or otherwise. 5. Scrapbooking evidence collected that day. 6. Scrapbooking exhibits collected that day. 7. Creating composite sketches of people, locations, and things, describing what happens in a day. 9. Create summary reports. 10. Mailing in one's time card to an explorer, volunteer, or employee. This is August 23rd, 2019. Okay, this is also published by Aaron William Striplin, the copyright owner, but the book is John Edgar Hoover. All right, so that's just that one. There's this one too, Brain Print, Victimology Anatomy Report. There's this one, Brain Print, Timeline. There's this one, Brain Print, Crime. There's this one, Book of Records, Mail Log. By all by John Edgar Hoover. Book of Records, Phone Log. All by John Edgar Hoover. Book of Records, Activity Report. Book of Records, Time Card. Victim, Brain Print Victim Statement. Okay, so I want you to take a look at that. All right, so basically what happened was, so I guess the president was stealing. I guess what he was doing was he was running a court scam. So the court scam says, what did the person who enslaved you take, and what was the person who enslaving you after? So the court scam was to show what the person took, and then what they was trying to take from the tabernacle and the tabernacle of God. And then all of that was put inside of the FBI evidence lockers that was going towards the FBI was then armed robbed by the people who the president hired. All right, so then what happened was, and so they would keep keep doing that, keep repeating court scams like that to take each part of the tabernacle and each part of the tabernacle of God. So they took all of the healing from High Priest Aaron. They took the entire altar of High Priest Aaron, which was a website on dataforensicinvestigation.com, purchased on the ledger that you've seen, from web.com, the website builders. So anyways, the timeline is that right there, sometime between 2019 in 2022, Joe Biden killed Helen Grace Striplin for her house. That's the timeline. And so he was trying to now say that Helen Grace Striplin was impersonating John Edgar Hoover, so that allows him to kill her and take the house instead of giving it to the people in her family. That's what he's saying now. So he can just kill it, but that's not right. And he did that because he was forcing court scams, and Aaron couldn't even contact the FBI because they were stealing mail, which is the reason why the mail was one of the exhibits sued at the DC courts. So basically, he has killed the woman and is holding a slave hostage right now during the year of Jubilee. How does that work?